here at s2member.com, click on the link that says forums right there, and that will bring you to this free registration page. I really suggest that you get an account here. There are like 50,000 forum posts here on the forum where people have written in asking questions over the last couple of years, ranging from every skill level you can think of, and S2 member staff members have replied back in one way or another. Really nice to have that information. There's just, fill this out, you'll get access to that, and then also should you need to ask a question or if you want to take part in the community, then you'll have the account to do that. Up here you'll find other video tutorials. There's a knowledge base, a change log, a codex. Check out the knowledge base, especially this section. Really good articles in here. All right, before I jump right into the software, please make sure that you have a PayPal account. I'm going to cover a quick start guide on the free version of S2 Member, and the free version integrates with PayPal Standard. So get yourself a PayPal Standard account and then follow me on over to my dashboard. I'm going to just dive right in. I'm going to skip through some of the technical stuff and anything that's not absolutely necessary and just show you the minimum to get people checking out, logging in, so you're making money. I'm back. It's so funny. I was checking stats in the little break that I took on another site that I run, and I realized I was running S2 Member on that site making money while I was doing a video about S2 Member. It's great. And now it's time to help you make some money. Let's type in S2 Member. We've got plugins, add new. S2 Member, search your plugins. You're going to see a few that come up in the list. There it is. All of these are kind of like plugins for the plugin. You might want to check these out sometime, but for right now what we need is S2 Member's framework. That's what powers S2 Member. Even if you're running S2 Member Pro, you still need the framework. This is the free version. So install that. I've done it. There, it's already on my list. There it is. Okay? Now once you get S2 Member installed, don't rush right into the settings. Take a second, look at the quick start guide, read through this. I highly recommend, these are just short. They give you an overview of how the software functions. Helps so much just to take 10 minutes and read down through this list, and of course watch a video, especially by Jason, because he's very helpful, right? Alright, the first thing you're going to conclude from this quick start guide is that you need to create two pages, the login welcome page and the membership options page. So let's go ahead and go right to that. Pages, add new. I want to create a login welcome page, and I'm just titling these exactly what they are for clarity, but obviously I wouldn't normally do this. Normally I would give it a slug like account, and I would call this my account, and I'll explain more about what these pages are in just a moment. For now, we just need to get them created, get them into WordPress as something we can designate. So membership options page, and we'll just type filler publish. Okay, next step, go to S2 Member General Options. Let's tell S2 Member about the two pages. A lot of people get intimidated. I'll just stop for a moment. A lot of people get intimidated by all these different options. Oh my gosh, what do I do here? I have so many settings. It's normal. It's okay. Just relax. Give it a security encryption key and then skip everything else. S2 Member is a mature plugin. It's been around for a while, and so a lot of the stuff that you're seeing is, features that you might want 2 months from now, but maybe they're confusing right now. Okay, just scroll down. Go to login welcome page. Select your login welcome page. This is going to be a list of all the pages in WordPress. Choose login welcome. That's the one we want to designate as the login welcome page, and then membership options page. Choose the one that you created, and that's done. Click Save Changes. Okay, so now what are those two pages? Let's go back to our list of pages. Login welcome page is the page that S2 Member will redirect anybody other than you, or anyone. In other words, if it's you're an administrator, if you log into the site, you're going to be logged in and redirected to the dashboard. If it's a customer, they're going to be logged in and they're going to land here. So now it becomes obvious, I need to put welcome to your account here, and I should probably call this my account, because this is going to be the my account page, and I might change the slug now, account. So you can see you can do whatever you want here. If your theme comes with some cool shortcodes and you can lay out and do all kinds of fancy stuff on this page, there's nothing preventing you from doing that. You have full control over it using the power of WordPress right here. Click update. I'll give you a little tip here. There's a shortcode that comes with S2 Member called S2 Member Profile, And if you pop that into whatever page or a widget, it produces a profile editing form for your customers where they can update their email address, their name, and all that good stuff. So that can just be popped in wherever. There's more about this in the general options in the dashboard. You can learn more about it. All right, the next thing we need to do is discuss the membership options page. This is the page that is going to contain, you guessed it, your membership options. It's where your PayPal buttons are going to go. It's where you're going to let your theme shine. Most themes will come with things like pricing tables, fancy shortcodes, whatever it is about your theme that shines, spotlight it here. This is where you want to dress up and get fancy and tell the world what you're offering and how much it costs, what the options are to buy. This is where you're going to put your PayPal buttons, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So let's just empty this out for now. I'm going to call this Prices Licensing, and I'm going to change the slug to just Prices. Now, I'll come back to this in a moment, and I will put my PayPal button here. And normally, this is where I would also write some nice sales copy. Whatever it is that I'm going to sell, I want to obviously sell it before I just throw a button up in front of somebody. I want them to know what it is they're buying and why the choice that they're making is a logical one. So, good idea to read up on how to write sales copy and how to structure a page